Okay, so the current time is 9:15 p.m. I'm just arriving into Fulham Broadway station where it's time to film some trains. Shoot, sorry. So I accidentally dropped the lens cap. I wonder if... maybe that footbridge. Yeah, I'll do that then. Train's not yet fully ready to depart. Just do it up here. I'm only going to spend a short while filming here. Andrew's on his way down. On his way down to the station. Well, he's going to have to film this on his own. With Jacob, or if he does decide to come down on his own. Oh, it's departing. There are a lot of minor delays on the district line at the minute, due to planned engineering work.
Hello, Harry.
Hey, are you on your way?
It's a bit late, mate. We're going to go straight home.
Okay. I'm going to do a little bit of Fulham Broadway and a little bit of Parsons Green.
Oh, fair enough. Recommend it for me, Mr. Pete, when we got time in brackets, yeah?
Okay. If you guys still want to come down to Parsons Green, get the Piccadilly line to Earl's Court and then change for the district line.
Okay, Parsons Green. Yeah, what was taking you out?
Fulham Broadway.
Oh, Fulham Broadway. How are you getting on?
Hey, blow it. Okay, the first train that's just made an appearance is going to be a district line service to Wimbledon. Hey, sorry, boys, I'm gonna have to let you go.
Alright, mate. Let us know how you get on, alright?
All right, take care. Good night. Okay, departing now for Wimbledon is the district line service. This might have come from Edgware Road. The driver waved. Never actually been to this station before. It's looking like a nice place to visit. Well, it's on the inside of a shopping centre, as you could just see just there. I think I can hear another train coming in. I think the next train might be going to Edgware Road. Departing. The district line service to... oh, it's going to Tower Hill. Sorry guys, I thought it was going to Edgware Road. Okay, we have something else that's due to arrive. There's people shopping upstairs, so it might not be a good idea for me to ask for any tones. Okay, the first train that's going to depart is going to Edgware Road, I think. Yes, she is going to Edgware Road, and the next train that's going to make an appearance is going to be a district line service to Wimbledon. Hey, could you blow the whistle, please? Oh, he flashed. Departing now, we have the district line service to Wimbledon. Hi Patrick, how are you?
Not too bad.
I'm at FULHAM Broadway now.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I've got a few of the drivers to wave at me for the camera and one to flash, but no tones.
It's quite late, and also it's closest.
And there's people shopping upstairs, so it's better to be respectful.
Yeah.
Well, maybe I could just get one tone and then leave it at that. If not, then.
Oh, mate, if you don't get any tone, mate, don't worry. You're going to get waves of flashes. It's like, and also, you've got to always build on top of the shopping centre, so that explains it.
All right.
And it's also underneath the Chelsea Stadium, so people might hear it from there.
Yeah, but yes, it's better to be respectful.
And it's quite late as well, like it's getting dark.
Yeah, I'm gonna have. That's why I'm having a very quick session, and then I will be moving on to Parsons Green, and then calling it a day.
Yeah, and then what's the next one? What are you doing there?
All right. All right. Well, listen, Patrick. I'm going to let you go. You take care of yourself. All right.
All right. Good luck.
Right. Bye. That lamp over there doesn't seem to look like it's working. Okay, the next train that's going to make an appearance is going to be a district line service to somewhere. I think this one might be going to Tower Hill. I may have to make this the last train for this video, but I don't know. Well, time is getting on for me at the minute, so I better be moving on to Parsons Green before it gets physically dark. I don't want to be home too late. Okay, departing now, we have the district line service to Tower Hill. Sadly, they're all going as far as Tower Hill and Edgware Road tonight. Oh, and some sparks. Oh, okay, the next train that's going to make an appearance is going to be a district line service to Wimbledon. Hey, could you blow the whistle, please? Oh, you gave me a thumbs up. Thank you. She's off to Wimbledon. Oh, this one's just arrived, which is going to Edgware Road. So I'm going to keep her rolling until she keep the camera rolling until she departs. And the next train that's going to make an appearance is going to be the final train of the video. Sorry, I've not done much, but so time is getting on for me. But before I wrap up, I just want to quickly say that if you guys are planning to come and film any trains at here at FULHAM Broadway, just You can come by any time, but just don't do it on match days. And also, if you're going to be asking any of the drivers to sound any whistles, just don't do it too much. Just be aware that there might be people shopping upstairs, and they could end up complaining. Anyway, I'm going to wrap up now. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications, like, comment, share and subscribe. The next stop's going to be Parsons Green, so I will see you very shortly.